Android versus iOS. As millions of people buy new phones every day, the Android versus iOS debate rages on. One can turn to several companies when choosing a phone, but whatever you get is guaranteed to be one of the two running prominent OSs, iOS. That is, if you choose to purchase an iPhone, or Android if you choose to go for anything else. Well, to be fair, both these platforms are quite mature at this point. Both these platforms have existed for more than a decade and both have good points or bad points. Both these systems come with comprehensive features and there is almost nothing you cannot do with a phone. Still, each system has its advantages over the others, which makes it difficult to pick one. So which one do you choose? Confused? Worry not, we have come to the rescue. In today's video, we are settling the debate of which is better, iOS or Android. Watch this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We post new videos every week. Android or iOS, which one is better? We have compared the two phones based on 10 key parameters. Keep watching to know more. Number 1. Easy to use. iPhone fans love to say that Apple is better than Android, but frankly speaking, both platforms have a user-friendly interface. 10 years ago, when iPhone launched, it certainly blew away Android devices. However, that was 10 years ago, and there isn't much difference today. In fact, Android has a better home screen setup compared to iPhone, but it doesn't make that much of a difference. Thus, on the factor of user-friendliness, both platforms do a great job. Number 2. Software choice. In the past, fans could argue that there were better apps available on the App Store. But these days, it is a tie. Android's Play Store has given tough competition to App Store. There are about 2.8 million apps on Play Store and 2.2 million on App Store. Therefore, no matter which phone you choose, you will never run out of apps to play with. Number 3. Camera. Cameras can vary on Android phones. Both the software have great cameras. The Samsung Galaxy S8 has a camera as great as the iPhone 7 Plus. The only difference is that Android cameras seem to have a wider angle lens, which makes them better for selfies. On the other hand, iPhone has a more well-rounded camera and an amazing photo finish. So if we had to choose one, we would say that comparatively, the iPhone camera is better. Number 4. Fit, finish and price. iPhones are very attractive and Android phones come in a wide variety depending on the company that manufactured them. Samsung and Google phones have an amazing finish, almost comparable to the Apple iPhone. This is a no-brainer that iPhones are more expensive. They are considered luxury phones. Whereas, you can get top-tier budget phones with Android. Number 5. Security. Both iPhones and Android phones have security problems. Google reports that about 0.16% of all apps on the Play Store contain malware. Similarly, there is an iPhone malware out there waiting for a user to download a sketchy app. But with that out of the way, tech gurus are of the opinion that iPhones are inherently more secure. Number 6. AI and voice assistants. When it comes to Siri versus Google Assistant, there is no doubt who the winner is. Google Assistant wins by a mile. Google Assistant is more than a voice interface. If you use Google Apps, Google Assistant can make your life easier by organizing everything. It can even make appointments on behalf of you. Compared to that, Siri is quite basic. It is good for answering your queries, but not so good as an assistant. Number 7. Timely updates. This is an area where Apple beats Android. When Apple releases a system update, all iPhones have access to that update. But that isn't the case with Android phones. In the iPhone, every detail and update is under Apple's control. But with Android, Google supports the base operating system, and it is up to the phone manufacturers to deliver the updates. Therefore, in this case, Apple has an advantage. Number 8. Battery life. This parameter is hard to judge because every Android phone is different. So the charging and battery life depends on which manufacturer you choose to go with if you want to purchase an Android. Number 9. Cloud integration. Cloud integration on Apple is just frustrating and many users face a problem with iCloud. Whereas Android is closely integrated with Google. iCloud doesn't have unlimited integration, but Google Photos has unlimited storage. Therefore, Android wins. Number 10. Peripherals. Nowadays, most people connect their smartphones to other gears. In this case, Android has an advantage as most devices use standard USB ports. With iPhone, you need its proprietary Lightning port. In fact, the USB cables used by Android are way cheaper compared to the Lightning ports. In the end, there is no definitive answer to which is better. Each has its advantages over the other. When buying a phone, your decision should ultimately come down to which features matters more to you and the budget. That's all from us today. We want you to know that your voice is important to us, so please leave a comment below. If you are new here, then click the bell icon for notifications of our new videos and subscribe to our channel.